Welcome to my channel product review top 5. Here are the top 5 cordless hydraulic crimping pliers. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 5. Cordless Hydraulic Crimping Pliers. The SL240 electric hydraulic wire clamp is a high-performance tool ideal for electricians. Its brushless motor ensures efficient, consistent crimping, handling copper terminals from 10 to 140 mm with ease. The rechargeable design adds convenience, eliminating constant battery changes, while the ergonomic handle provides comfort during extended use. Its precise hydraulic system delivers reliable, professional quality crimps every time. Compact yet powerful, the SL240 simplifies heavy-duty electrical work, making it an excellent choice for both professional and electricians seeking speed, accuracy, and durability. Number 4. Cordless Hydraulic Crimping Pliers. The CM300 rechargeable hydraulic pliers are a powerhouse for electricians and technicians. With a 12T hydraulic system and 380 Nm torque, these pliers handle crimping tasks from 16 to 300 square millimeters effortlessly. Its portable, rechargeable design ensures convenience for on-site jobs, while the ergonomic handle provides comfortable grip and precise control. Durable construction guarantees long-term reliability, and the fast crimping speed saves time on repetitive tasks. Ideal for professional use, the CM300 combines power, efficiency, and portability in one compact tool. Number 3. Cordless Hydraulic Crimping Pliers. The JT70C cordless hydraulic crimping pliers deliver exceptional performance for both copper and aluminum cables. With a crimping range of 4 to 70 square millimeters, it handles a variety of cable sizes efficiently. The cordless design ensures portability and ease of use in tight spaces, while the hydraulic mechanism provides smooth, powerful crimping with minimal effort. Built for durability, it's ideal for electricians and maintenance professionals. Lightweight yet robust, the JT70C combines precision, convenience, and reliability for all your cable crimping tasks. Number 2. Cordless Hydraulic Crimping Pliers. The rechargeable hydraulic crimping pliers are a compact, efficient tool for electricians and enthusiasts. Designed for both copper and aluminum terminals, they deliver precise, clean crimps every time. The small lithium battery ensures portability and long-lasting performance, while the plug-in design makes charging simple and convenient. Lightweight yet durable, these pliers reduce hand fatigue during extended use. Perfect for on-site electrical work, home projects, or professional use, they combine reliability, power, and ease of operation in a handy, portable package. Number 1. Cordless Hydraulic Crimping Pliers. The electric hydraulic pliers LZ240C is a robust and efficient crimping tool designed for professional use. It handles copper and aluminum terminals with a wide crimping range of 16 to 300 square millimeters, making it ideal for various power cable applications. Its electric hydraulic mechanism ensures strong, precise crimps with minimal effort, saving time and reducing fatigue. Compact and portable, it's easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Durable construction and reliable performance make it a must-have tool for electricians and technicians. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.